Hey, what's up, guys? It's Nasar, aka the Real Estate Doru. I'm not a guru, I'm a doer because I actually do this business. First things first, please beat that like button up for me. Like, comment, subscribe. I need all of that. How to get 7 streams of income in real estate. Explain. See me on the other side of this vid. So by now on social media, you probably seen that the average millionaire has 7 streams of income, 8, 10, 12, or 5, or 3, whatever, right? Doesn't really matter. I have not looked into it to see if it's true or not, but I'm going to show you how to get 7 streams of income in real estate. I read the book, 7 Streams of Income. I read that book. I want to say it was by Robert G. Allen. Could be wrong, but it was a great book. And one of the things he said, 7 streams of income could be 7 houses. Because if you have 7 houses, 1 or 2 may be down at the same time, but you still have the 5 to offset that 2. I have my wholesaling business. I have my rental business. That's pretty much hands off for me unless it's a turnover, because once I get the property, I hand it over to property management. So that's pretty much hands off. If you're watching this, I don't want you to go out and go try all this at once. Focus on one thing. I'm gonna take you to my journey. My journey started off in 07. I went to go flip a house, right? I flipped a house. Me and my friend, we lost $7,000 a piece. We did everything wrong in the book. I bought a rental property in 08, bought another one in 09. So I had 2 rental properties, right? So that's 2 streams of income, right? But I'm still broke working in the call center. I found out about wholesaling. Got involved with wholesaling, mastered wholesaling, and then I put myself in a good situation, right? Probably had about 40 or 50,000 put up at that time. I was like, yo, I'm ready to jump back in rehabbing. 2013, I got fired in 2012, 2013, I got back into rehabbing. For me getting back into rehabbing, what happens at that particular point is I partnered with somebody. I wanted to partner with somebody because I wanted to learn how to do it the right way. Got a real good head start. We did well on that. Then I did another partnership. I did well on that. Then I felt confident to go out and do it on my own. And so I've been wholesaling and rehabbing. Again, with the rentals, I'm putting it up. Once I get it with the rentals, I do the rehab, do it to the property manager, boom. They get the tenant in there, I get the income from it. Fortunately, I have a great property manager. If you need property management in the Charlotte, North Carolina area, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put the link to their website right here so you can check them out. They do property management. Me personally, I don't like doing property management. I don't want to hear sob stories. I don't want to do screenings. I want to sit back and collect a paycheck. The more properties you give a property manager, the cheaper your monthly rate will be. On average, here locally, it's like 10% a month, and it might take 50% off the first month rent, and then 10% monthly after that. Other than that, it's pretty much hands off. I can look at reports, see who paid, who didn't pay. It's much better to let them deal with that, let them deal with the screening. Some property management do have clauses, even if there's no tenant, they charge you, which I think is downright dirty when they choose the tenant. So let's say the tenant leaves, I still gotta pay you? No, man, it's not right for me. I have a great property management company. I've used them since 2008. If you're interested in property management, you can actually check them out. So that's off my table, right? But this is how you can get multiple streams of income in real estate. Multiple streams of income doesn't have to be you being a hairdresser at 1 o'clock, then you being a barber at 3 o'clock, then you selling weight loss tea at 5 o'clock, and then 8 o'clock a.m. the next morning, you're doing network marketing. That doesn't have to be multiple streams of income. You want it all to be aligned, all right? So you want to build a bridge. This is what I did. I built a bridge. I have lanes that run off the bridge. I didn't go build the bridge here, build the bridge there, build the bridge, no, because I didn't want to lose focus on what's most important to me. That's the way you can get 7 streams of income or even more. You know, just look at them as little oil wells. I have a oil well over here for wholesaling. I have an oil well over here for fix and flip. And then I have all my rental properties that are like oil wells that produce me income every month. And as long as I'm pumping, whatever that consists of with each line of business, then I'm getting rewarded by selling the oil. If you want to know how to find good deals, go to freenasbook.com. Free Nas Book. I'm giving out my first ebook out. It's an Amazon bestseller. I'm giving that out for free. If you go to Free Nas Book, put your name and email in, check that out. Make sure you follow me on IG, Real Estate Doru. You can text me at 704-28 1600. Text me the words multiple. I'll send you my 10-step cheat sheet on how to get started in real estate and find these good deals. As usual, I wish you much success in your life and in your business. Peace.